Hello everyone, it's another recipe loving day here at Fofolicious Food Bites, and today's recipe is sure to elevate your taste buds. It's easy, quick and a pure bliss. You can snack on it or add it to your main meal, but overall review, it's a super delight. Pepper Pomo, that's cow skin. So get your cleaned pomo, cut them into bite size, grate your pepper, tomatoes, onions, plantain, sliced onions, spices, garlic, vegetable oil, bouillon cubes, spring onions, and toasted sesame seeds for garnishing. Before we start cooking today, I would like to appreciate everyone watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Thanks for all your subscribing, your comments and likes. A wonderful Fofolicious Food Bites fan just got a tray of our crunchy goodness chin chin. Keep the comments flowing and more Fofolicious Food Bites packs to be delivered. Let us all enjoy this cooking journey together. Okay, now it's time to activate this deliciousness. Heat your pot, pour in a bit of oil and add your sliced onions. Mix it till it starts getting a bit fried. Add your garlic, spices and bouillon cubes. Then add your grated pepper, tomatoes and onions. Mix together and put in all your pomo. You can add a little bit of water if the pomo is still strong. Mix it all together and allow it fry. Continue mixing till it looks just like this. So colorful and looking good. The aroma of the garlic is so nice. Fry your plantain by the side. Add the spring onions and all these for the pomo recipe, and it's time to serve. Sprinkle some sesame seed and it's a done delicious deal. Recreate and enjoy. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes. Thank you.